Hi, Fernand Raymond here. In this presentation, I'm going to talk to you how to use PBNs to boost SEO ranks, basically for PBNs for SEO to boost the ranks that you want to gain ranks on the search engine. So that's what I'm going to look in this presentation. I've been an SEO consultant, started back in 2014, really started myself as a freelance SEO consultant. Then I built the Click to SEO agency where I really started testing the PBNs. I found about the backlinks and how it works. So then I realized like, okay, how can I build the backlinks to really go about increasing the ranks when you understand how the search works because it's a reference backlink. So backlinks are a core component of increasing the ranks. So of course the site's content, sites on page SEO, that has to be really good. If the content is bad, no matter how much you're going to increase with the backlinks, back in the days you can actually even rank pretty shitty websites. Back in this is in 2014, but search engines like Google got pretty far smart. Even on the Bing, I think it's really you can't just throw up bad pieces of content and rank anymore. So if you are considering using blogs to increase the ranks by 2023, there is a way you need to do that one, and you can really do that. I know the top guys are there who's talking about PBNs, using PBNs, and there is a lot of case studies and examples about people using PBNs. But myself personally using private blogs and providing private blog network hosting for tens of thousands of people in the SEO community through SeekerHost. When I talk to them and I kind of ask them what works and how it works, and when I interview them, my understanding is like the website has to be really good. You can use PBNs to increase ranks, but you need to really build the PBNs really well. So if you Google PBN sites examples, you will see on Google how one of the sites, one of the couple of pages on fernandraymond.com, the PBN site examples, as well as secos.app PBN site example, exact PBNs that are built, making thousands of dollars a month each site, selling guest posts on them because they are blogs and people like to plug links and publish articles to get reference backlinks to increase money site. That's how you need to build the PBNs. If you want to get whatsoever advantage in the PBN world and really skyrocket the ranks, that's exactly what you need to do. You need to really looking into building the PBNs right way. This is the only way that you can actually have sustainable ranks. And if you're a PBN link buyer, check the PBNs. If a person says I'm not going to share the PBNs for some reason for high privacy, try to ask, can I do a Skype call to see through some of the PBNs or at least samples? Because like, and the other thing, if they are linking from their PBN to your site, and if you can't find that link, they can actually try to do link blockers. And but if you are not seeing them on your link profile, ideally in a week or two, they are not really even doing right. So there are a lot of dynamics like that. If you are looking to buy PBN backlinks, I'll go into that. How if you're buying PBN backlinks, how to evolve, how to analyze it, that you're actually getting from a proper seller, and they're actually linking if they're not selling the PBNs. Ideally, at Click2, when Dinesh and the team provide PBN backlinks, and if you Google by PBN backlinks and the sort of keywords, you can see if you're in the UK, the click2.co.uk page ranks, and worldwide is the secos.com page is ranking. Go for that site, see exact sites and inquire, and you can get a call and see those sites plus more sites. If you're especially buying like hundreds of backlinks to boost your ranks, you must see the backlinks. I would say like if you are spending good amount of money, hundreds or thousands of dollars buying PBN backlinks to increase the ranks, you need to be able to see the backlinks. If they are saying, if it's the sites, if they're not saying there's something fishy, they're not build the sites right way, not good content, properly not presented, that's what I'm saying. Go to Google, search for PBN site example, see those sites, exact site, which each site is doing thousands of dollars each month from guest post selling, and these sites are public. These can be sold. These are actual sites. These are the caliber of sites that I talk about. If you are keen about increasing the ranks and gain exactly the ranks advantage, you need to be able to really think about like you need to you buy the backlinks from the right side. Otherwise, no boost, it's not going to go anywhere, and you're just going to waste the time, and that's where you're going to be frustrated. PBNs don't work anymore. I have to go and only buy the links from other authorities you say, which are also the biggest PBNs and biggest blogs. So say like if you're buying a backlink for Forbes or Entrepreneurs, so they are a blog, right? They're a big blog, they're authoritative blog, they're getting a lot of traffic, but they are a blog. And if you look at even Forbes forward slash sites, and they are selling those authorship profiles which are like blogs, which are for multiple people who sells reference links, amazing content written, of course, and then and that's the dynamic. If you're even buying a PBN back, you are maybe buying from a small blog network of sites being owned by several people, but making sure it's diversified, the link profile, the IP addresses, that all these comes into place. And then the content and the quality of the PBNs is very crucial. It has to be really, really good. If the quality is not good, you're not getting an advantage and you're not going anywhere. So if you are even considering buying PBN backlinks to utilize SEO, you gotta consider those factors. I have been using throughout the years, each year making hundreds of thousands of dollars from PBN backlink selling, as well as a big part of the business at ClickDo. Our team, different departments runs it. So PBNs work, but when it's built right way. It's a private blog network. People just get it very fishy like PBNs. Even if you ask like ChatGPT and all, it kind of freaks you out, right? But you have to understand that's how the web works. Even like all the big sites, the newspaper channels and all, when they do a publication, when a person pays to get high authority publications, that's what you're doing, is getting a reference links that can trigger the ranks of that website. So if you are even getting links from well built blogs, amazingly built sites, good content, getting traffic, high DR, all things are there. It's a sustainable link. So you need to look into those factors if you want to gain any advantages utilizing PBNs, or I would say websites, guest posts, backlinks, all those things. You got to look at the site, whether it's good. Look at the vendor if you are buying. Try your best to see the sites before buying, and really make a qualitative analysis about, okay, these are good sites. I use tools like Href. I have done some videos on my YouTube channel where you can see how I analyze website on the Fernando Raymond YouTube channel. You can see how I analyze websites quality before, even if it is expired domain, before even we build a blog, how I do analyze it, the quality of the backlink of an expired domains. And with that being said, if you're looking for expired domains, Google search for expired domains, land on seekerhost.com page, which is ranking for expired domains worldwide. You should see in the top 5 or so results. Land on that page. We have free expired domains find and listed. If somebody haven't registered, you can register. We're not even, I think Gautam is and the team is not even charging for that at the moment, unless like super premium high quality domains, which are like very hard to get. But mostly we just listing on every day as expired domain hunters are finding it. And these are really good domains. You can find the expired domains on seekerhost.com by just searching on expired domains, free expired domains list, all these keywords, expired domains with traffic. Land on seekers.com, see that. And if you want to build amazing private blogs, that's a good way to get started. So that's how basically you should be using PBNs to SEO. And if you use the right way, your ranks will go up and it will always work. It does work. I've tested it. It is working. It's the same way the web is working. So this short video is about like how to use PBNs to skyrocket ranks by using the right PBNs, the good quality PBNs. Google search for PBN site examples and land on that page. You'll see on the description of this video if you're watching on YouTube, or some the links to those pages where you will see the real site. If you want links, you can get on those sites, proper links, well built, actual traffic coming to the sites on a daily basis, and these sites are real making money, thousands of dollars each month. So very well built. So that's the advice today on this video. Let me know what you want to cover on the next videos and the stuff about PBNs and any topic that you are interested about in SEO. And I'll be covering up SEO related topics, real entrepreneurship, all these kind of things on YouTube. I'll see you again, guys. Have a good day.